Memo akwaba de ba GCN page so medi e de adwoa searching. Mesro subscribe to my channel, found some ya bell on so. Ubi a notification video bi abenye bi ahwe. Felix Apia e Ghana ni ba de hia wa kwakotena abrochi. Na oye Facebook blogger, osanso e musician. Na odi ensem bi atodwa. Ne nsem a okin na ne se NDC fo mo aye mo adwen se mo be tarnish na na do image. Mo be tarnish na na do ni legacy a enya de bebem ende anase ochina. Felix say Nanado eka say opese obeye president e wo Ghana hanom enyende way back wa pre ene yamia ya adoma Nanado wa be president e wo Ghana hanom de yamia ka no obia entumi empepa ntino yame atros Nanado ba be president e wo Ghana hanom ena wa ba beye entini de NDC fumu yeri na eye kwa Nanado be president we twa ne first term wasanso aba second term ntino obetwa 8 years ni na akọ asomdwim eja edimpa ewo Ghana hanom na Felix say NDC for Nanado na membu no eye corrupt Nanado eye family and friends amembu ena obu ewo Ghana hanom ensem fatankwa ena NDC for no omo ekeka na ensem kese omo ekapa ne say NDC MPP for omo slogan eye free SHS, one district, one factory, planting for food and jobs. Almost slogan and now so NDC for say and some way na MPP for Ekano, a muba kumpuni wa omo aye, and so almost sorry free SHS. Ned on one free SHS in domo to me aye, now so no hunsem ebebre, planting for food and jobs. Yehube biakofa 1D 1F Yehube bia afa sa ena NDC for omo say MPP for almost slogan ne nanso emu ba kumpo ni ho aye free SHS ne pe no mo aye nanso free SHS no kwa enhyeda enkoye neno ena Felix say NDC for zensema mo kan ede eto na nadu na mo de eto na nadu ne suina no mo pese mo tarnish ni image ni legacy opese oja wo Ghana hanom eye papa no pese mo se no nanso nya de a ebebem ende amase ochina ne yenti ensema Felix ede etudwa
abu se guti sa wo temrase na wo the proceedings ne ba bia kwa nka abu se be guti se ede na John Mahama ene ne nkrofo akogu yen enum guase be na omde akogu yen akwa akoso camera kosi wanim wo kwa akotwa ntro tokuro do penentem gidigidi wa no bo yen ya wo no kodi tro achim police nkwa brofo wo be bo hwene ansa ya aka brofo no mfiri wanum mbranya ohwenim Ote brofo no aka na afiri wanum abanya ohwenim ana afi se wodo fa ahwenim ana ye ede aslans wo kurase ni ba pa ye nesu anyansa oba pani ete se we se utumi tira fie tufo wu se yanka sebe asem tufia ye koje aware anka mo na anka mo no e na nka yedimu di akire e koje aware enso wadwe we otirim kuranta aware no kura yedu kodi akire amari bu adu bekwa kogu no de ne baye begu no de awo kire odi begu no all in the name of the legacy of Akofu Addo. Thanks and glory be to God, say. The legacy of Akofu Addo can never be tarnished and would never be tarnished. Yes, he has his flaws, just like everybody has their flaws. But the legacy this man will leave by the time he's done his 8-year term, everybody would attest. Ne 4 years impon you, ne 4 years impon na 307 ambulances, Menkoti a metemari buadu say, and then MPP for buy and throw and a slogan. Mari buadu, let me educate you. Unia, Yabako court cases no so montumo rojo diana waha. So I say about the Mari buadu ye and Mama Boni Janunja said Jimmy because a twat so Yanka Semua, Sa no media found no the call rojo diana near Yabeka, Bamontumo. Mari buadu in the page, so. Dada no followers say muntie dia Mari Buadu catch on no followers o Mari Buadu is telling on no followers ne say MPP for buy slogan and free education and one district one factory and planting for food and jobs aduane ne wo hen hwe say ye ka planting for food and jobs nanso no ye 18 tomato sukura no ye ntumi nyam ne yemfengu container we kire say wo no wa bon Mari Buadu which let's say what bon and you don't do research. Yanumu be enyanya homache 4 a.m., 3 a.m. Any research and then kasa any secret people where kasa information and what da ukunwechi hwan krom untino wonye research. The here one say obebo pon say afa we come the besi wanim no obeka nsem hunu no afa anwa di na akọ. But catch them say planting for food and jobs. It's not something that is happening. It's just a slogan. Lady A, go and learn. Go and learn. Google planting for food and jobs. See how many farmers it's helping. Planting for food and jobs, Sebe. Sa potato chips, one no more, and your farmers nebia. Now, saying to me, na ye ni ha, and a brody, ebe bu Ghana PE. Go and check there. He said, even grain, even importing grain. Look at how we have brought importing, especially ebro. Cause the way I bring ebro importation down. Until recently, Corona iba like niamemuye. I mean, like bisi basa. Even that no crano, we still found a way to still sustain the country. With governance. Do you know what policies are? Do you even know how policies are even read, let alone implemented? Nothing of that. You just sit on your Facebook page because you have the weakest minds to listen to you, and all you do is just spew lies, and garbage. Empty. Always calling somebody empty when you are the most emptiest person that we can find on social media. You argue with no facts, you argue with no figures, you argue with nothing. Marie Buedu, now let me teach you something. For book, na sa for Google for where you Marie Buedu bin for video we mano. Now we let's her see what planting for food and jobs is. So see onu hu bi. O she NDC for spectacle into hu bi. You be trying the planting for food and jobs. De bia ntro nko anu ma betena no di ntro de bia no di ntro de bia no di ntro na moko bia mbisa mo hwe obi mbisa mo hwe journalist fo asebe ye de ye ni ato mo so mbebi so mo a o mafunti na yeso sebe yakoji ska ya nka no kra no na obi atibi na sebe ye no mo a ya nko school en ye kira ye ntumi ense nyam ye de no an se ye follow bi sa na wo ye ni papa sa na nka obeye wo gene won man ho a you want to beef everybody up, you build everybody up together. That is how to grow as a country. Just because we are intellectual, and not just for our intellectuality, Fedi Diobi accept on so name do. It's not fair. That is not how you grow a country. Planting for food and jobs. Marie Buedu. Policy document in here. We are a person called Ministry for Agric for website. Now if you share planting for food and jobs, no share disbursement ya America and Nyama ya dia so ekuafo asene. Emrante a na sebe first na kuayo enyo mode. Na so na policy we nti no ama enu kuayo na be yo mode first obi se wodo a wonya ba bia de begu. Onyame adaroma tikese so die pano, a sans so planting for food and job, and a sans so one district, one warehouse. So in case of anything, now we can keep these goods there. But what bounty I won't change, page so I will followers. And they will listen. Obi Uncle Shebi, planting for food and jobs. It's a flagship agricultural campaign of the government with 5 implementation models. So the first model, that is planting for food and jobs, aim to promote food security and availability selected food crops on the market and blah 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 blah. So that is the policy document. Now let's go. Planting for food and jobs highlights. Uko YouTuber we know video evidential and kasa wo ha ubehu baby free. So what you say agric minister baby a omoye bro pineapple baby a ekumfi planting for food and jobs. Ekumfi koso wo ho omo supply ekumfi fruit juice no pineapple no. It is part of the planting for food and jobs. Oko north cereal semobe kaya NDC for constituency chairman some time ago ebeka say planting for food and jobs na dey papa because no for the first time no to me ayekua e dey atolan cruiser NDC for eba betu gu no so ne na omo we afi mari nsua de no onim ntino o say planting for food and jobs just a slogan. Now that is to show you say it is not a slogan. Let's move on to some other things. You were there talking about one district, one factory. You're talking about, if you don't know what, there's a tomato paste factory, okay, in Ghana right now as we speak. Not just one, not just two. So what you say? Thanks to one district, one factory. Koso. It is a wusu wuni mushia. So one district, one factory. So also one TB da. Ma wo konsa fo NDC fo na wo Ghana no. Ma omo nto ekumfi juice en fambra na num bi na ente sa wadwene. Ense sa wani so na etada so nti no at the power ho amari hu no empepa ma hu hie ekumfi juice. Hu hie ekumfi juice eno beboa wana hu hie kasa de Europa fo omubrodo ni bi. No na best ebeyi sa bitterness no amiawa mari buadu oba ensa nka otumi de wo ho wo di bitterness oya wa hye wo mu sa de asai wa brabo e na wo to ne ntro oba pani ete sa wo ntro e na ati wiase na wudi because obi anka hwe nkyerɛ wo me se wo nti e na me na ma still got my eyes on you now there